So for our navigation, we will take advantage of the routing, but a route is just one part that is needed for the navigation to be actually working. Another part is to have the actual URLs constructed in our views. And with .NET Core 3.0, this is typically done using TagHelpers. If you work with older versions of ASP MVC, then you probably used HTML helpers such as action links. These can still be used in .NET Core 3.0, but if you want to use 3.0, then you will be better suited to use TagHelpers, as it is intended for this version of .NET Core. So we will of course be using TagHelpers. So notice the examples. The first one is the old HTML helper that will create a link to candy/list. And the second one is the new tag helper that will also create exactly the same link. But as you can see, the tag helpers are much closer to how HTML tags are constructed. So tag helpers are more readable, and the result is cleaner HTML code than the old HTML helpers did. Now, tag helpers can be used for other tasks than just navigation, but for now we will use them for navigation only. And as it is with everything in .NET Core 3.0, in order to use tag helpers, we first need to tell the application that we actually want to use them. And for that we will use a directive that starts with add tag helper. And this time we don't add this to services, instead we do that in the view file where we want to use them. Or even better solution is to add the support for tag helpers to view imports file. The purpose of this file is to bring in the namespaces for the views, but also directives that are used globally within the application, such as adding tag helpers support. Alright, I think we are now ready to jump into code and start creating links.